Hey Nigel, I hate to bother you. After this, I'm not going to because I'm not going to mess around with anything in the database. But I spent like 5 hours on this yesterday, and now I'm at 3.5 today. I'm hoping you can figure this out really quickly. So again, I apologize, but just walking through real quickly. This is the test. It's just a test. It's bid leveling number three, and I've already put in all the answers into the database or whatever. So it should work. When I go to uh, general conditions, I have 20,000. That makes sense. 10 plus 10 is 20. And I go into division, architects, division 1, I have another 1,000. So that's 21,000. And then I have 22,000 and 27,000. So this works as it stands right now. The weird thing is I got a general conditions is working 27, then they all should work 27 and 27. Now if you sum total, I have no idea what's happening here. This has no bid level ups in it, so it should just be the division total is this, and in this case in division number 5, it should be the sum total of these, right? So this one should be 6,000. I do want to throw in, I've messing around with it here on this other screen. I mean, it seems like it makes sense to me. I mean, you add the bid level up item plus your sum total of your general cost, and it should work. Just not sure. So let's add something in here, and it's going to, this is going to get messed up. So let's add in 3, let's add in, make this a little bit below. Let's add in 1,000, and this should go up to 28. So I'm going to go into AK, and I'm going to go, I don't know, manager. Okay. So this is fine. This is always working. The bid leveling up, all the logic works, everything. So we should go up to 28,000. Now we just went down to 23,000. So this total should be, this total should be the general costs plus the sum total of all of these first column costs. So I have no idea why it's going down. And as you can see, this one is doing something weird as well. It's not sum totaling this. So project total should be the general conditions cost plus all of the columns first lines, and the division total should be only this division's total. So again, I really hate to bother you. I'm sorry about this, but I'm completely stuck at this point. I was hoping maybe you could help me out. The only other thing that I see that's weird, and you don't even have to really mess with it now, but I'm not even going to show you, but sometimes you can maybe do it without me there. If you change this and go, I don't want to mess this up now that you can see the math in the video, but if you change this, add in another row and go up to 10,000. Sometimes these resort and sometimes they don't. And sometimes it'll resort like 4 or 5 in a row if you keep testing it, and then all of a sudden it'll completely freeze and it won't sort at all. Same thing on this screen. Sometimes it freezes and sometimes it doesn't, but it's kind of critical too, I guess. But I'm assuming that's something with the database. So hopefully that all made sense. And let me know. Thank you very much.